The new Lucky Coin building took 3 years to complete, and now it has made its home in Guangzhou. A lot of citizens and tourists have decided to come and take a look. The building is shaped like an ancient Chinese copper coin. I suppose the design looks a bit like a tribute to some kind of money deity. In fact, the Lucky Coin is not the only building which radiates dreams of extreme wealth. A building in Shenyang City has a similar shape, but is slightly smaller than this one. Another hotel in Hebei displays statues of the Chinese gods of wealth. Similarly, a pavilion in Hebei is in the shape of ancient Chinese gold ingot. These buildings present one aspect of the modern Chinese dream: money, money, money. When the Beijing National Stadium, or Bird's Nest, finished in 2008, many Chinese people were unhappy with it. Every year, a bizarre building springs up in China, but some are really quite strange and widely criticized, such as the so-called Bikini Building in Hangzhou and the Big Pants in Beijing. The most criticized building in China is the Ring of Life in Foshan City. The building costs 200 million RMB, and it is not even possible to live and work in it. At least it's good for a bit of fun. Many people have used Photoshop to create a comical view of the Ring of Life.
China will continue to welcome more and more buildings with weird and wonderful architecture. Wherever there is creativity, there is always both praise and critique. One man's eyesore is another man's skyline masterpiece.